what are the best exercises for back. What's going on, guys? My name is Angelo. In this video I'm going to share 3 exercises for bigger, wider back, and even better, you only need one equipment. Let's get it. You don't have to run all over the gym. You just need a bar and a V-bar. Alright guys, let's start with the lower lats. This exercise, you need to keep your elbows close to your body and your forearms parallel to the floor, just like this. This exercise, you only need 3 sets of 10 reps or 12 to get you the result you want. Let's jump to the next one. Alright guys, this will be our next exercise. You need to grab the bar in the middle. Now you will have to pull it above your belly button, just like that. Alright, this will be our last exercise. So you need to get the bar as wide as possible and pull your elbows almost your shoulders high, just like this. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Share it with your friends, family, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.